In this video, we're unboxing the automatic transmission clutch removal tool. This is the main holding frame, the base, the pulling jaws, the nut and locking ring washer. This tool is used for automatic transmission clutch pressure plate removal and installation. Let's move on to assemble the tool. First, grab the main body. Then, insert the pulling jaws on both sides. We can see a button on top. Push it straight in until it locks. Do the same thing on the other side. That'll lock the pulling jaws. Before installing the base, install the nut. Then install the washer. Now install the base. Secure it by tightening the locking ring. The tool is now fully assembled.